How to use Google AI Studio for voice generation on mobile step by step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio for voice generation on mobile step by step. Let's get started. First, open your mobile browser like Chrome. Now go to Google AI Studio website. Once the page loads, make sure you are logged into your Google account. Step 1. Switch to desktop mode, important. Since this tool works better on desktop, tap on your browser menu and enable Desktop Site. This will unlock all features on your mobile. Step 2. Open Text-to-Speech tool or audio generation options. Tap on it to open the voice generator. Step 3. Enter your text. Now type or paste the text you want to convert into voice. Keep your text clear for better results. Step 4. Choose voice settings. Select voice type, language, tone if available. Try different voices to see which sounds best. Step 5. Generate voice. Now tap on Generate. Wait a few seconds while the AI processes your request. Step 6. Play and download. Once ready, tap Play to listen, and if you like the result, tap Download to save the audio file to your phone. Bonus tip: fix No Audio Generated error. If audio doesn't generate, refresh the page, switch your Google account, try shorter text. And that's it. Now you know how to generate AI voice using Google AI Studio on mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.